Today, we are going to be decluttering and organizing my closet. Hey guys, it's Sugar. So for today's video, I'm so excited to film this because if you're an OG subscriber or if you looked past to my very first videos, I've always been in love with doing DIYs and organizing and decluttering and all that kind of stuff. I feel like I've never done like a closet organization video, so this is like so exciting. Also, I have my dog with me, so if you can hear like little footprints, like little walking steps, that's my dog. Anyways, my closet has been super duper messy and very disorganized, and don't get me wrong, I do always try to clean it. There have been multiple attempts of me cleaning my room. I even tried to film that video, but the cleanliness only lasts for a week for some reason, and after a week it goes back to that one hot spicy mess of a closet. So this time, hopefully, I'll be able to maintain this organization thing that I'm going to be doing in this video. So I started cleaning in June. It's July now, so after a month, because I had to do a lot of other things and I had to postpone most of the cleaning. I just had to continue where I finished off, but I'm going to show you that later. I'm going to talk you guys through first what I did into organizing my room. I am decluttering to make most of my closet. I'm not totally decluttering just to make more space for more clothes. Let's get started. So the first thing that I did is sort through all of my clothes. I didn't realize I had this much clothes, and I have gone through a lot of closet and clothes decluttering before. Hello! Okay, so I just went through all the clothes in my closet and I made a huge pile of clothes that I'm kind of questionable about. So I'm gonna be deciding now if I'm gonna keep them or stash them away and either donate, sell them, something. So I have my whole box in here. So this is where I'm gonna put all the things that I'm going to be giving away, and then I also have the space right here to put the stuff which I think I'll keep. And also another thing, my brother's here, and actually it's really helpful because usually I find it really hard to decide whether I should keep things and stuff. His number one tip: do not think things over like Rebecca from Holland. So let's go. Now, I didn't think sorting out clothes would take so long, but I was honestly so indecisive whether to keep things or give them away. So after I've sorted out all my clothes and decided what to keep and what to give away, I stowed all the giveaway clothes into a basket, put them outside my room just so I have more space for the clothes that I'm going to keep. When you thought it's all over, I just got the clothes from the wash. I have more to sort out! Let's go! Now we're going to be placing back all the clothes that I decided to keep back in my closet, and as you can tell, I already organized a lot of my clothes into these baskets, which at first I didn't know I had this much baskets, but then I looked through my closet and I realized they were secretly hidden in my closet. So now I've got like a good amount to organize a lot of my clothing. These baskets I bought like back in 2014, 2015, so they were a really bad color choice of mine because I used to obsess over pink, explaining my wall color. So now I don't really like the color, so I'm planning to do something about that. But not now because I still need to figure out this situation right here. Looking at the clothes that I decided to keep, it's still a good amount. And I'm trying to like choose some clothes that I still can let go of. I'm trying to like lessen the clothes that I own, but so far this is what we got. Oh, this is so satisfying because I took out this much clothing. Helping me out with the dustiest room ever, so that he has allergies and he's kind of getting sick from staying in this room for too long. So after I've placed everything back according to hanger and according to clothes to fold, that's where I stopped actually cleaning my room, and this is the one I want to show you. So here is my closet. Here is one side, and then there's another side on the other side. As I said, I did film this a month ago and then I stopped, and I'm only continuing now, so that's why it's not fully organized yet. But as you can tell, I have my clothes. Literally, there's so much more space for more clothes. So what I did to make the rest of my closet look a little more organized is to actually change up my hangers and make them all the same. It just looks a lot more neat and tied up and put together. I also color coordinated my clothes, so from white, from the lightest colors, to black, to the darkest. And also I organized the shirts by the length of sleeve. Tank tops, short sleeves, long sleeves, and then by another color, short sleeves, long sleeves. So these are the hangers that I have. These are actually from IKEA and I love them so much because they're very thin. So they don't really occupy a lot of space when you like hang them. So to get started, I'm just clearing out the space right here on the top so I can just kind of easily visualize what I want to do. So moving down here to the rest of my closet where I keep my folded shirts and folded clothes. Before, I actually didn't have these baskets, so my clothes were literally just like out there and folded, and I find that it really looks messy, especially if the folds aren't perfect and neat. I figured I'd get these baskets, and this is where I'd store all the clothes, so even if they're not like folded properly, as you can tell, they're just literally thrown in. They still look pretty neat as a whole when you open the closet because it's in these baskets. And some of them are actually like pretty neatly placed, but these clothes, I actually tried them on and I was too lazy to put them back how they were. So now we're gonna be folding them KonMari style. You literally search up how to fold KonMari method, but literally just fold it in 3 and then fold it in the middle and kind of make it stand like that. And that's what I'm gonna do with the rest of the shirts. Ta-da! So they're all done and folded nicely, and I love the KonMari method so much because you can literally see the shirt that you're gonna choose from and you can just pull one out, and like when they're stacked it'd be kind of harder to see what clothes you have. I'm gonna do the same with the rest of my baskets right here because this is not organized, so we're gonna do that. So for each basket there's like a different type of clothing. So for these two, I'm gonna keep my pajamas and my lounge clothes. As you can tell, here I have my mini tank top. In this one, I have my t-shirts. And then this one, I have just a lot of random stuff because I wasn't really sure what to put in here. You know, clothes I could wear outside, but a little less cute, if you know what I mean. And then this is where I keep a lot of my jogging pants. Like, I have a lot of jogging pants for some reason. And then I got some more baskets to store a lot more things. And I was actually looking for a basket, like a smaller basket with the same shade as the rest of the bigger baskets. How many times have I said basket? But yeah, I really wanted like a light off-white kind of color, but I couldn't find any, so I just went with this beige one. And this is where I'm going to keep my underwear, undergarments, and stuff like that. And then right here, not so organized yet, but this is where I keep the rest of my beauty products. I have these like built-in drawer things, and just in here I have my socks. So instead of folding my socks this way, this is actually how I fold them. So first I flatten them out like this. And then after I flatten them out, I stack them on top of each other and I fold the opening right in the middle and then fold the other side of the sock and tuck it into the hole. And so that way it's like nicely tucked and it's not like inside out, and then you can see like what sock it is. I have my cookie sock, whale socks, what else? Princess bubblegum. This one, for the regular like unprinted socks, I just leave them as this because they're kind of hard and small to kind of fold that way. So after some major sorting and organizing and indecisiveness, I am finally done with my closet. I'm gonna like insert some official before and after clips of how my closet turned out. Honestly, when you have things organized, it just makes you feel a lot better with yourself. And for the clothes that I decided to not keep, I may sell them. Hey guys, so I'm currently selling some of my pre-loved items on Instagram. My Instagram shop's name is here. And you guys can check out the Instagram account. I'll have it linked in the description box. And a lot of these clothes I actually only got to wear probably once or twice or even never. So if you guys are interested in any of the clothes, you might want to check out my shop. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to be part of our #GlucoseFam. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay sweet. Bye.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.